fucking salvage one? I don't know. Ow, my fucking hands are freezing. Someone hold it, fucker! Joe, you fucking hold it. Hold it up there. Hold it up for the light. Put it up there and hold it. Okay, more water, more water. Good. Still the water level. Okay. My hands are fucking Why?